Welcome to another captivating adventure with VueX, y'all. Get those bags packed, because today, we're diving headfirst into the ultimate American dream epic road trips. We're talking miles of open road, breathtaking landscapes, and memories that'll last a lifetime. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or a first-time explorer, there's a route out there calling your name. We're about to take you on a ride through some of the most iconic highways in the USA, from the sun-drenched Pacific Coast Highway to the legendary Route 66. So buckle up, crank up the tunes, and get ready for the open road, because we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey together. Let's hit it! Alright, first up, we're cruising down the legendary Pacific Coast Highway, also known as Highway 1. This isn't just any road. It's a journey through some of the most stunning landscapes California has to offer. Imagine the wind in your hair, the sun on your face, and the endless horizon of the Pacific Ocean stretching out before you. This iconic stretch of asphalt hugs the California coastline, offering breathtaking ocean views, dramatic cliffs, and charming seaside towns. Each mile brings a new vista, a new experience. From the rugged cliffs of Big Sur to the serene beaches of Malibu, the PCH is a visual feast. We're talking about a solid week on the road, folks. Yeah, you heard that right. This ain't no quick joyride. It's a full-on adventure. A chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature, with yourself, and with the open road. This is about savoring every twist and turn, every sunset over the Pacific. Picture yourself driving into the golden hues of a California sunset, the sky ablaze with colors, the ocean reflecting the fiery glow. It's moments like these that make the journey unforgettable. Pack light, but pack smart. Swimsuits, sunscreen, a good road trip playlist. Essentials, people. And don't forget snacks and a cooler for those impromptu beach picnics. A well-prepared traveler is a happy traveler. And don't forget your camera, because trust me, you're gonna need it. Every turn offers a new photo opportunity, from the towering redwoods to the crashing waves. Capture the memories, because this is a trip you'll want to remember forever. Now, the PCH is notorious for its winding roads, especially that stretch through Big Sur. It's a driver's dream and a passenger's delight. The curves and bends keep you engaged, and the views keep you mesmerized. Take it slow, enjoy the ride, and for God's sake, don't drive distracted. Safety first, always. The road can be challenging, but it's all part of the adventure. Respect the journey, and it will reward you with unforgettable experiences. Speaking of Big Sur, make sure you stop and soak in the views. The scenic overlooks are perfect for stretching your legs and taking in the majesty of the coastline. It's a place where the mountains meet the sea in a dramatic embrace. Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park, McWay Falls, these are must-see spots. The natural beauty here is simply breathtaking. Take a hike, explore the trails, and let the serenity of nature wash over you. Bixby Creek Bridge. These are bucket list-worthy spots, people. This iconic bridge is one of the most photographed landmarks on the PCH. It's a testament to human engineering set against the backdrop of nature's grandeur. And hey, when you're in Monterey, swing by the Monterey Bay Aquarium. It's world-renowned for a reason. Trust me, it's worth the stop. The marine life exhibits are fascinating, and it's a great way to break up the drive. It's world-renowned for a reason. Trust me, it's worth the stop. The marine life exhibits are fascinating, and it's a great way to break up the drive. You'll see everything from playful sea otters to mesmerizing jellyfish. Further down the coast, you've got Santa Barbara, with its Spanish architecture and chill vibes. It's a perfect spot to relax, enjoy some local cuisine, and soak in the laid-back atmosphere. And of course, no PCH road trip is complete without a taste of LA. The City of Angels offers a mix of culture, entertainment, and iconic landmarks. From Hollywood to Venice Beach, there's something for everyone. Look, the Pacific Coast Highway is more than just a road trip. It's a rite of passage. It's about freedom, adventure, and experiencing the raw beauty of the California coast. It's a journey that stays with you long after the trip is over. It's about freedom, adventure, and experiencing the raw beauty of the California coast. The PCH offers a unique blend of natural wonders and cultural experiences, making it a must-do for any road trip enthusiast. Now, let's talk weather. Expect sunshine, especially during the summer months. The clear skies and warm temperatures make for perfect driving conditions. But remember, the coastal weather can be unpredictable. But hey, even California has its moody days. Pack a light jacket just in case. The fog can roll in unexpectedly, and a light drizzle can add a touch of romance to your journey. And a little cultural tip. California is all about embracing the laid-back lifestyle. Take your time, enjoy the journey, and don't rush. The PCH is as much about the experience as it is about the destination. So relax, soak up the sun, and enjoy the ride. The Pacific Coast Highway is waiting for you. It's a road trip that promises adventure, beauty, and memories that will last a lifetime. Next up, we're hitting the Mother Road, the legendary Route 66. This iconic highway, often referred to as the Main Street of America, has been a symbol of freedom and adventure for decades. It's a road that has inspired countless songs, movies, and stories, capturing the imagination of travelers from all over the world. This historic highway is a trip down memory lane, taking you through the heart of America. As you drive along, you'll pass through 8 states, each offering its own unique slice of Americana. From the bustling streets of Chicago to the sun-soaked beaches of Santa Monica, Route 66 is a journey through time and space. We're talking neon signs, classic diners, and a whole lot of Americana. Picture yourself pulling into a vintage diner, the neon lights flickering in the twilight and the smell of burgers and fries wafting through the air. It's a scene straight out of a postcard, and it's just one of the many experiences that await you on this legendary road. This is the route that embodies the spirit of adventure and the romance of the open road. With every mile, you'll feel a sense of freedom and possibility, as if the road ahead holds endless opportunities. It's a feeling that has drawn travelers to Route 66 for generations. Now, Route 66 stretches over 2,400 miles, from Chicago, Illinois to Santa Monica, California. That's a lot of ground to cover, and each mile is packed with history and culture. You'll pass through small towns and big cities, each with its own story to tell. You're looking at about 2 to 3 weeks on the road, depending on how many detours you take. And trust me, there will be detours. Some of the best parts of the journey are the unexpected stops and side trips that lead you to hidden gems and local treasures. And trust me, there will be detours. These detours might take you to a quirky roadside attraction, a charming small town, or a breathtaking scenic overlook. Embrace the unexpected and let the road guide you to new adventures. Pack your sense of adventure, your appetite for classic American cuisine, and a whole lot of patience. The road can be long and winding, but it's all part of the experience. Take your time, savor each moment, and enjoy the journey. This is a journey that's best savored slowly. Don't rush from one destination to the next. Instead, take the time to soak in the scenery, meet new people, and create lasting memories. After all, it's not just about the destination, but the journey itself. From the iconic Gateway Arch in St. Louis to the majestic Grand Canyon, Route 66 is a crash course in American history and culture. You'll encounter landmarks that have stood the test of time and continue to captivate visitors with their beauty and significance. Make sure you stop at some of the quirky roadside attractions along the way. These unique spots are what make Route 66 so special. They add character and charm to the journey, offering a glimpse into the creativity and spirit of the people who call this road home. The Blue Whale of Catoosa, a whimsical roadside attraction that has become a beloved symbol of Route 66, the Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, where you can leave your mark on the iconic spray-painted cars, the Wigwam Motel in Holbrook. These are the kinds of places that make Route 66 so unique. Staying in a teepee-shaped room is an experience you won't find anywhere else. And hey, don't forget to fuel up on some classic diner food. Burgers, fries, and milkshakes, you name it, Route 66 has it. These diners are more than just places to eat. They're a slice of American history where you can experience the hospitality and charm of a bygone era. Now, the weather on Route 66 can be unpredictable. One moment you might be driving under clear blue skies, and the next, you could be caught in a sudden storm. You might experience scorching desert heat one day and a sudden downpour the next. The diverse landscapes along the route mean you'll encounter a variety of weather conditions, so it's best to be prepared for anything. Pack layers, people, and be prepared for anything. Whether it's a chilly morning in the mountains or a hot afternoon in the desert, having the right clothing can make all the difference. And a little cultural tip: Route 66 is all about embracing the small town charm. These towns are the heart and soul of the route, offering a warm welcome and a glimpse into the local way of life. So, slow down, chat with the locals, and experience the true meaning of Americana. It's these interactions and experiences that will make your journey on Route 66 truly unforgettable. All right, folks. Get ready to experience the beauty of the Appalachian Mountains as we navigate the Blue Ridge Parkway. This scenic byway winds its way through the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains, offering breathtaking vistas, cascading waterfalls, and lush forests. We're talking about 469 miles of pure scenic bliss, stretching from Shenandoah National Park in Virginia to Great Smoky Mountains National Park in North Carolina. Now, the Blue Ridge Parkway is not about speed. It's about soaking in the scenery, embracing the tranquility of nature, and maybe spotting a black bear or two. Pack your hiking boots, your camera, and a sense of adventure. This is the perfect road trip for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Make sure you stop at some of the many overlooks along the way. Mabry Mill, Doughton Park, Humpback Rocks. These are just a few of the countless spots where you can pull over and soak in the views. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, why not hike to a waterfall? There are countless trails to choose from, ranging from easy strolls to challenging climbs. Now, the weather in the Blue Ridge Mountains can be unpredictable, especially at higher elevations. Be prepared for anything from warm sunshine to sudden thunderstorms. And a little cultural tip: the Blue Ridge Mountains are home to a rich musical heritage. Keep an ear out for bluegrass music and don't be afraid to tap your feet along. Get ready to experience the heartland of America as we embark on a journey down the Great River Road. This iconic route is not just a road. It's a passage through time, culture, and the very essence of the American spirit. As we travel, we'll uncover stories and landscapes that have shaped the nation. This epic road trip follows the course of the mighty Mississippi River, from its headwaters in Minnesota to the Gulf of Mexico. Imagine tracing the path of one of the world's most famous rivers, witnessing its transformation from a small stream to a powerful waterway that has been a lifeline for centuries. We're talking about over 2,000 miles of Americana, passing through 10 states and countless charming towns and cities. Each stop along the way offers a unique glimpse into the diverse tapestry of American life, from bustling urban centers to quiet, picturesque villages. Now, the Great River Road is a journey through the heart of America's history, culture, and natural beauty. You'll encounter historical landmarks that tell the story of the nation's past, cultural sites that celebrate its rich heritage, and scenic views that showcase the stunning landscapes of the Mississippi River. Pack your sense of adventure, your appetite for local cuisine, and a whole lot of curiosity. This road trip is not just about the destination, but the experiences you'll have along the way. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an outdoor enthusiast, there's something for everyone. From the bustling city of New Orleans to the rolling hills of Wisconsin, the Great River Road offers a diverse range of experiences. Each region along the river has its own unique charm and character, making every mile of the journey a new adventure. Make sure you stop at some of the many historical sites along the way. These landmarks are not just relics of the past, but living museums that offer a window into the events and people that have shaped the nation. The Gateway Arch in St. Louis, Graceland in Memphis, and many other iconic landmarks await you. Each of these sites has its own story to tell, adding depth and context to your journey. Vicksburg National Military Park, a place where history comes alive. Walking through this park, you can almost hear the echoes of the past and feel the weight of the events that took place here. These are just a few of the countless places where you can delve into America's past. Each stop is an opportunity to learn something new and gain a deeper appreciation for the country's rich history. And hey, don't forget to indulge in some local cuisine. The Great River Road is a food lover's paradise, offering a wide array of regional dishes that reflect the diverse cultures and traditions of the areas you pass through. From Cajun and Creole dishes in Louisiana to hearty Midwestern fare, the culinary delights along the Great River Road are as varied as the landscapes. Each meal is a chance to taste the local flavors and experience the hospitality of the region. The Great River Road is a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. So, make sure to bring your appetite and be ready to savor every bite of this delicious journey. Now, the weather along the Great River Road can vary greatly depending on the season and location. From the humid summers in the south to the crisp autumns in the Midwest, each season brings its own unique beauty and challenges. Be prepared for everything from scorching summer heat to chilly winter winds. Pack accordingly and make sure your vehicle is ready for any weather conditions you might encounter. And a little cultural tip. The Mississippi River has inspired countless artists, writers, and musicians. Its influence can be seen in the art, literature, and music that have emerged from the regions along its banks. Keep an ear out for blues music, and don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with the locals. Their stories and insights will add a rich layer to your journey, making it even more memorable. All right, adventurers, get ready to experience the solitude of the open road as we traverse the loneliest road in America, Highway 50. This desolate stretch of highway cuts through the heart of Nevada, offering breathtaking desert landscapes, star-filled skies, and a sense of isolation like no other. We're talking about 3,000 miles of pure, unadulterated desert, stretching from Ocean City, Maryland to Sacramento, California. But the loneliest stretch, the one that earned it its name, cuts through the heart of Nevada. Now, this road trip is not for the faint of heart. This is about embracing the silence, the vastness of the desert, and the raw beauty of nature. Pack your sense of adventure, your survival kit, and a whole lot of water. This is a journey that requires preparation and respect for the elements. Make sure you stop at some of the ghost towns and historical landmarks along the way. Rhyolite, Berlin, and the Shoe Tree are just a few of the unique and eerie places you'll encounter. And hey, don't forget to look up at night. The desert sky is something else, folks. With minimal light pollution, you'll witness a star-filled sky like you've never seen before. Now, the weather on the loneliest road can be extreme. Scorching hot during the day, freezing cold at night. Pack layers, folks, and be prepared for anything. And a little cultural tip: respect the desert. This is a harsh and unforgiving environment. Pack out what you pack in and let someone know your itinerary before you go. So there you have it, folks. 5 epic road trips that will take you through the heart and soul of America. From the Pacific Coast to the desert plains, each route offers a unique perspective on this vast and diverse country. Comment below for more itineraries, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know which road trip you're most excited to tackle. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.